In this video, we'll guide you through how to add friends in Steam. First, you have to go to the top of Steam and hover over your name. Click on Friends. This will take you to the Friends page. Next, go to the right and click on Add a Friend. You'll see your friend code here. You can enter another person's friend code to add them or scroll down to search for a friend. It's important to note that to add friends on Steam, your account must not be limited. To lift the limitations, spend at least $5 on Steam, and after that, you can add friends. You can search for someone, and when you find them, click on Add as Friend on the right. A friend request will be sent to them, and there you go. This has been Solution Junkie. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.